What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 17th of January. We're going to take a look here at Aerodrome. We'll drop over to Bitcoin as well. We've had a very nice rally here in the markets. Let's take a look here at the charts. So, quick recap on what took place with Aerodrome. We had the sell-off take place here on Monday. We didn't get down to 82, moved all the way back up above 1.005, closed just below the 1086 level, put in a higher low on the 14th and a higher high. So we have like a three bar play here for the bottom, and then rallied all the way back up to basically the underside here of the neckline for this head and shoulders. And you could see where we're finding some market resistance here. Found resistance yesterday, 130 yesterday, closed just above it. We are above it today. You could see the 16th in as well as the 17th, the neckline acting as market resistance here for Aerodrome. So we got to break above that, and that's going to take us up to 149.73. This has rallied essentially off the lows in 1, 2, 3, looks like 4 or 5 days, about 50+%. So pretty wild to say the least. We've had some pretty extreme sentiment readings in the markets. We have XRP possibly made a new all-time high, if not very close yesterday. We have Bitcoin starting to break out. So just going to be a quick video here, a couple levels I would watch here for Friday the 17th would be 140 as well as 130. And then as we start to march higher, we have a bunch of levels here. Basically, the main level I would be watching is up here at the highs of the 3rd of January. Those look like they're at 150. So that's a real important level. You want to break above that high, the 150 level. If markets start to fade, 130, 123, 1086, and then basically $1, and then you have the lows over here. But we're finding a little bit of pushback at the underside, which was once support, broke down into resistance on the 8th of January, and it's actually flipping again into market resistance. So let's watch that. You want to see it close above that as well. If I zoom in here so it's easier for you to see, you can see how the bottom side of this neckline was support, broke down, and now it's acting as market resistance. So it's going to close above that, start to rally up there 140. We have a bunch of levels here, 144, 147. I'd be watching these highs over here. That's the 160 level. Right here, 159 is my 159.6 is my level. And that's that for Aerodrome. We still have a major lower high here. So if we look at this trend, let's draw this up on the chart. We were so we have a lower high, lower low. This is still a lower high. That's why I'm watching this high over here from the 3rd of January. You want to make a new high. Two things that could play out here is we pull back here, print a higher low, and then we put in a higher high, or this thing continues straight up. Maybe it happens in a day or two, and we just break into a new high. Then you pull back to the higher low, and so on, as the trend will continue to the upside. That's what I'm watching here for Aerodrome. A couple different scenarios anyways, but right now markets are finding a little bit of resistance, the Aerodrome markets. Over to Bitcoin, it's trading at 102. We are very close to making a new higher high here, referring to this high over here on the 7th of January. We want to break above that. We are above our 106.49 level. My next level is 104.622.42. And then you want to take out the highs at 108. And then I have a target 116.834 for Aerodrome, 116.834. Guys, all links down below. Discord link is down below. Appreciate you guys watching. Welcome to the channel, all of the new subscribers. You guys have a great day. Of course, not financial advice.